Hey everyone, so as you can see, I am on the Minecraft Education Edition website. I am underneath the class resources and find a lesson. In specific, I'm underneath the content area of math, as you can see right here. If you scroll down the lesson, I'm going to be demonstrating to you today of how to download the lesson materials and the world is right here. It's a coordinate system. So we're going to click on that. Once I go and click on the lesson I am interested in, it will open up the lesson for you to view. There are lots of features here, including the age group that this falls underneath. It has the different content areas it falls underneath as well. This is your download button if you would like to download the assets directly from here, and your print button, but I'm going to show you how to do that further down. This particular lesson was created by Cindy Duncan on September 24th of 2019, so fairly recent. Here's the lesson plan, which you can print right here. It includes the learning objectives, your guiding ideas, and your student activities. So we can see here that for this particular lesson, they're going to be exploring and learning about the 3D coordinate system. They're going to practice finding the coordinates, and they're going to practice teleporting with the teleport scavenger hunt activity. So these two activities they have listed here, we can actually download underneath the supporting files right here and here. You can download all of the assets or all the materials by clicking on Download Assets right up top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you what that looks like. So down here is the zip file. Click on it, and here are all the worksheets that go with the lesson plan. So I can click on one of the worksheets, and this is it right here. This is our teleporting skills. And this worksheet coincides directly with the lesson, so I can print it off and hand it out to my students. All right, back on the main lesson now. This is also where I can print the lesson, or I can share it with a coworker if they would like to do it as well. Underneath the external references is where you're going to download the world. So right here it says to use this world for these activities, so I'm going to click on this. And a file will open up right here for me to download the world and look at it. So I'm going to click on that. And it should take me directly to the Minecraft system if it gives it a minute. Let's try it one more time. Wait. Go, and we're going to click open. All right, so here you can see it is opening up the Minecraft world from where I clicked on it. It's going to take just a second for it to pull up. So I have already signed into my own, but if you are not signed in yet, it will prompt you to do so from this. And here we are. So this is the world. This is a nifty that it goes ahead and opens it up for you, so you can go ahead and begin exploring in the Minecraft. I would recommend doing this before you have your students complete the lesson, just so you can preview it and make sure that everything is functioning properly, and you can go ahead and troubleshoot issues that you believe that your students may have. So I'm going to go ahead and escape now and show you where this one is on my screen. And in the next video, I will show you how to have your students complete the activity. Here we are. So if I'm coming into this after I've closed out of it, let's say you don't have a minute right now to practice, I can go in and click on the play button, view my worlds, and the lesson I downloaded is right here. And there's a little snapshot of where I left off on it. Okay, and that is all for now. You can click on the next video to find out how to have your students enter into your new Minecraft world. Thank you.